All right, today we have an interesting little Zippo. If you're a Doctor Who fan, you might like it. If you're not a Doctor Who fan, you won't even understand it. And this one came in the normal Zippo black box, and it says Rose Tattoo. It's a genuine Zippo made in Bradford, PA. There is the Rose Tattoo. It's on a black matte finish case. It was made in, that is a B of 19, February 19. Good stampings, good sound, steel insert, lights up nice. That is the Rose Tattoo. Let's do a drop test. So the Rose Tattoo passes the drop test nicely. And we'll go into my Doctor Who section of my collection, and let's give this thing some cowbell. And maybe a little more cowbell. Knuckle bump.